Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Trading Critique. Today, we're dissecting AvaTrade, a platform designed to empower Forex newbies. Forex trading can feel like deciphering ancient scrolls, but AvaTrade gets it. They prioritize beginner education, making them a strong contender for your first foray into this exciting market. Who is AvaTrade? Established in 2006, AvaTrade has become a major player in the online trading world. With over 14 years of experience, AvaTrade offers a wide range of trading instruments including Forex, stocks, commodities, cryptocurrencies, and indices. This broker is known for its reliability and is trusted by investors globally. Regulation and safety. When it comes to trading, safety is paramount. AvaTrade is regulated by several prestigious financial authorities around the world, ensuring a secure trading environment. These include the Financial Futures Association of Japan, the Financial Services Agency Japan, the Cyprus Securities and Exchange Commission, the Israel Securities Authority, the Investment Industry Regulatory Organization of Canada through Friedberg Direct, the Abu Dhabi Global Markets Financial Services Regulatory Authority, the Central Bank of Ireland, the British Virgin Islands Financial Services Commission, the South African Financial Sector Conduct Authority, the Australian Securities and Investments Commission. It's important to note that AvaTrade does not serve clients from the United States, Belgium, and New Zealand. Security measures. AvaTrade employs several security measures to protect its clients. Negative balance protection. This feature ensures that traders don't lose more money than they have deposited, which is particularly important in volatile markets. Segregated accounts. Client funds are kept separate from the company's operational funds, providing an additional layer of security in case of financial difficulties. These measures are crucial for maintaining trust and integrity in the trading environment. Now, let's talk about what you can trade on AvaTrade and the platforms available. AvaTrade offers over 1,000 financial instruments, including 50-plus Forex pairs, stocks from major exchanges, 18 commodities, 60-plus ETFs, 9 cryptocurrencies, and bonds like the Eurobond and Japan government bonds. For trading platforms, AvaTrade provides several options. MetaTrader 4, MT4, known for its user-friendly interface, powerful trade execution tools, chart analysis, automated trading strategies, and a vast library of technical indicators. It's ideal for both beginners and experienced traders. MetaTrader 5, MT5, builds on MT4 with additional tools and order types for more advanced trading. AvaTrade Geo, AvaTrade's mobile platform that is simple and user-friendly, providing advanced trading features similar to WebTrader. Ava Options, a professional and powerful desktop trading platform for options trading. WebTrader, a user-friendly platform accessible directly from your web browser, offering essential trading tools. Social trading platforms. AvaTrade also offers social trading options like AvaSocial, DupliTrade, and ZuluTrade, allowing you to follow and copy trades from successful traders within the community. With these platforms, AvaTrade caters to different trading needs and preferences. AvaTrade offers 3 types of live accounts: standard, retail, and professional. Standard account, ideal for beginners. It boasts lower minimum deposits and standard spreads, the difference between the buy and sell price. Premium account, geared towards experienced traders. It typically offers tighter spreads and perks like dedicated account managers. Let's break down the process of opening an account.
Now you're ready to start trading online. So whether you choose our popular MT4 and MT5, or our user-friendly WebTrader, or even our award-winning mobile platform AvaTrade Go, you first need to open a trading account. And here's how you do that step by step. First, fill out the registration form. It takes just a few minutes. Once your account is created, and before you can make a deposit, you'll need to verify the account. In the My Dashboard section, click on Upload Documents. There are 2 kinds of documents required here: an ID or passport with your full name and image clearly visible, and proof of residence. This can be any kind of utility bill or bank statement from the past 3 months. with your name and address clearly visible and matching your ID or passport. Done uploading? Great! Our team will verify your documents ASAP. Once your account is verified, you'll receive a notification. And that's done. All that's left for you to do is to select the platform you want to trade with. Fund your account with any of the multiple forms of payment available, then dive into the world of trading with thousands of opportunities across 1,000 tradable assets. From popular stocks like Tesla and Amazon, and global currencies like the euro-dollar, to commodities like gold and oil and global indices. Now you have an account, you're ready to jump into the buzzing world of trading.
When it comes to fees, AvaTrade is competitive. Spreads start from 0.9 pips with no commissions for Forex trading. Retail traders in Europe can use up to 130 leverage, while professional traders can access up to 1 to 400 leverage. Other fees include overnight premiums for holding positions and inactivity fees if your account is inactive for 3 months. It's important to understand these fees to manage your trading costs effectively. AvaTrade excels in providing educational resources and research tools. Ava Academy offers comprehensive resources including videos, ebooks, tutorials, and glossaries to help traders build a solid foundation. Technical analysis. AvaTrade provides tools for predicting future price movements based on historical data, using chart patterns and indicators. Fundamental analysis. This involves observing economic and financial factors that may affect asset values, suitable for long-term investment decisions. Sentiment analysis measures market sentiment and attitude towards risk, affecting asset prices based on volatility or bearish sentiment. These resources are invaluable for both beginners and experienced traders aiming to improve their trading strategies. AvaTrade offers dependable 24/5 multilingual customer support in over 20 languages, ensuring that registered traders worldwide can easily reach them via live chat, email, and WhatsApp. This level of support is crucial for addressing any issues or questions that may arise during your trading journey. In conclusion, AvaTrade is a reliable and well-regulated broker offering a wide range of trading instruments and platforms. Its robust security measures, extensive educational resources, and competitive pricing make it a solid choice for traders looking to make informed and safe trading decisions. If you found this review helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to Trading Critique for more trading insights and reviews. Thanks for watching, and happy trading!